Hey guys, it's me, Sprinkle Slayer, and RUE the Wizard is here. And Elite Scopes. Alright, are you starting?
Yeah.
Alright. So, today we're going to be playing White Noise on Chateau. And the game's going to be starting in 3, 2, 1. So, RUE the Wizard, how many subscribers do you have?
Currently 13.
I thought you had like 74.
What? No. I know where all the tapes are here.
I do too. I hear.
I can only hear you. I turned my volume completely.
Okay, where does it?
It's the dark.
If you see it, Jason, pick it up.
I don't see it at all.
I found it.
Oh.
Oh god, we're gonna die! Where are you at, RUE the Wizard?
Right behind.
Alright, I see you.
Right in front of you.
Here, there's gonna be a tape over here, I believe. Okay, because there's the walking path.
And if my mic shuts off, I'm sorry.
Okay.
So how often do you play?
I left you. Oh god, I'm gonna die so quickly.
Where you at?
Hey, Rue.
I'm gonna die.
Rue.
What?
Do you have GTA 5?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm getting it tomorrow and Dazzle so I can record.
Oh god, oh god, oh god!
I'm gonna die.
What?
I found a tape recorder.
Please tell me you're not gonna die.
Matthew, follow me, I know where to go.
Follow me.
But yeah, do you guys know what Dazzle is?
Yeah.
What?
It's like, Dazzle is like the best recording system, and Captain Club was using it for Xbox.
Did you die?
No,
No,
I'm
you didn't.
still alive.
Are you about to die?
I think it's best we split up.
No, we're not allowed to split up.
Then you'll die. Oh, dangerous, go on. Where are you guys?
Matthew, follow me, I see something.
First, we gotta find RUE the Wizard.
I'm on a roll.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh, I know where the tape recorder is here. Oh, and I'm dead.
Did you really die?
Yeah.
No.
Matthew, run.
I'm not the ghost now, so I'll tell you guys when the tape recorder died. Oh, I found
I'm
it.
running, Matthew. Yep.
Dude, he's right behind me. Oh god.
It's on hard, nothing's gonna happen yet. Oh, I can see your flashlight. If you can't stay in the general area.
I turned off my flashlight.
You're dumb.
Oh, Rue, you didn't know
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Oh yeah,
Oh.
you told me that.
I'm dead. No. Oh.
Flashlight.
I think I found another tape.
I'm.
Jason, come right by me. I'm about to die.
If it's dangerous to go alone, one of you will die. And then the other one will live.
Run, Jason.
I can only see
She's just like, oh my god.
if I'm a ghost. Don't run.
I hear the tape.
Go ahead. Dude,
Oh, he's right behind me.
Where you at?
I'm dead.
You mean I'm dead? Oh god.
My screen's getting more yellow.
I'm just gonna go find one.
I died.
I died.
Ah! No, that wasn't.
Oh, I need
Oh.
another ghost friend.
Oh my gosh, I made it out of that.
Hello.
Hi.
I found
Oh!
I know where
Ooh. He's coming after me.
I know where 3 other tape recorders are. Actually 4, but
I do too, but I somehow got myself in rock.
I see Jason.
I see your crippled eye.
What's the time at?
Next time we play bunker.
Yeah.
Sure, but that's incredibly hard and I've never won on it.
Oh, Matthew, quit walking through me. You scared me.
Where are you going?
This way. Right here.
You guys are way behind me.
Alright, good. You found a tape.
Where is
I
it?
already know where the 3 are.
Do you hear it?
No. Hey! He found the right in front of me.
You guys are like my friends playing this game.
I have my light turned off and I'm using a good headset, so it pops up really loud in my ear.
So you know where the rest of the tapes are?
Game volume.
What?
You can turn down the game volume. I have mine at 0.
Jason died.
Dead. Gone.
I just literally.
There's the first half, guys. So press A.
Did we cut or what?
No. We're playing one more.
Okay, so
Bunker.
keep recording.
Let's put it on easy because I haven't played bunker yet.
Nope.
Or normal.
Hey, press A, RUE.
Oh, I love somebody.
Invisible man. All you'll see is like a hat, a flashlight, and shoes.
I want the Slinger Man and use the game for PCC.
Oh god, I never been here
Wait,
before.
Hey guys.
Hi.
I can keep floating hats.
Invisible man. Okay, I know exactly where to go.
This is just like Slender Elementary.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Hey, Hunter's online.
Who cares?
Oh, found a big room. Okay.
I found a big room with a spaceship in it. It's dangerous to
There's
go
that
alone.
one.
I hear something.
We're in the computer room.
Matthew.
Where you at?
That's where we spawn. Where are you? I'm right here.
Alright, follow me.
I found a new spaceship room.
Is that your flash in it?
I don't know where we're going.
To the left.
I don't know where you guys are, so.
Or straight, Matthew, straight to the left.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
I hear a tape.
Big disadvantage here. I have my volume turned to 0. I don't even know where they are in this room.
I hear like a fan going off.
A fan? Oh, we should go to the autopsy room.
You go, because I do not know where to go.
This is where they hold the other white noises, which they have skinned.
Dude, this is so like Cinderella's thing.
What's in here?
Don't go in that room.
Oh, submarine room. Oh, I know exactly where it is in this room. Either on the submarine or in the barrels.
I don't hear anything.
Other side.
How do you go on?
Same.
Room, do you have a normal mic or just to connect?
Connect.
Your connect rock.
I hear that thing that's gonna kill you if you stare at it.
Oh, that's it.
Oh yeah, it's up here.
I went.
I found the tape. Can I pick it up?
Sure.
Yeah, we're all gonna die.
Getting the 8 was the hardest. I have no idea where it is.
No, Javier, get out!
Get out of here.
Wait, what? Whose party is this?
I believe it's mine.
Oh, well then just set it to invite only.
Well, I don't want to die.
My flashlight died.
Your flashlight can't die.
No, it turned off for a second.
It just goes dimmer and dimmer. Night room or UFO?
I hear her. Oh!
What?
I saw a
I just see the
blast upside down.
Usually not. That's right.
I hear a tape.
Well, there's one in this room. That would be like the first time it's happened to me.
Do you hear it, Jason?
Yeah, I do.
I'm close to it.
Oh, then I know where it is.
Here, can I get it?
Found it.
Now we're gonna die.
No, I got it. I usually start dying 5, 6
Hey, do you have Minecraft?
I got Minecraft.
You got it?
Oh, I thought 0. It should be in here, if I'm correct. Nope.
He's right behind us.
Yeah. Oh.
Edit. Oh, no, this. Either the body bag room or the autopsy room.
Wait, I got trapped.
Open a door. Oh, I've done that. But I legit couldn't move. Ooh,
Dude, I'm so scared.
maybe lost. I'm not scared. Oh, okay. Oh, train. No, military base. Not military base, we are in one. Jet plane. Near the train.
I don't hear anything.
Back to the train. This way. Like a popcorn. Cable's on. I can't change it.
What are you doing?
No, I'm just changing my online status to busy. So that things don't pop up on the screen. Oh, I forgot I can't the dog left.
Dude, my mom's calling me.
We could go for 14 minutes. Need to end it soon.
Why? How long can you record?
15 minutes max I can put on YouTube.
Well, can you do 2 parts? I'm recording! Will you guys cover me?
No.
It's kind of impossible.
Yeah.
Oh, found it.
Hey, wanna leave him? I don't wanna run.
Guys, I unplugged my Connect. Hold on.
Good. it's right here.
Here, stop, I need it.
Okay.
Where is it?
Alright, I'm back.
Oh, hello. Gonna miss 16 seconds. But door 2.
I like how you can just walk on nothing right there.
I can record up to like 20 minutes.
When I get dazzled, I can record forever.
No, it's just a max you can put on YouTube.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, you need to get a certain amount to record views and stuff.
No, all you have to do is verify your thing. That's what all I did.
Oh. Darn.
Where is he?
Cameras. Pull it.
Do you see him?
No, you should be here right now.
What light are we on?
I hear it. Okay.
What was that?
I don't know. Oh, cool, the container room.
What's this?
The container room. Don't understand by explaining this when you see it. Oh, I see it. No, I don't. Okay, he's there, but no, I'm just gonna stare at his skin brother.
Who died?
Everyone's running out of the room. I'm just standing here.
Who
I'm
died?
running, Rue. You did.
Well, it's not dangerous if you don't look at it. I'm staring at you, but I have enough sanity to do that.
We need to go back in there and get that tape.
The lemon juice. He's gone. It's weird looking at you.
Hey, do you have GTA 4, Rue?
No, I do not have GTA.
I call tape. Where's it at?
I don't know.
It's back here.
This is where the intro was. Oh my god. Dave's not here.
I hear it. Where you guys at?
The container room?
Same room.
Jason, come help me find this.
Oh, I hear it too.
This word's super strong.
I'll be right back. Just keep talking.
Alright. So Jason, are you happy that we finally got someone to record with us?
Yeah.
And guys, you have to subscribe to RUE the Wizard. And me.
Oh!
He's teleporting.
Matthew, go in circles around.
Oh my god, he's right in front of us. Come on, Jason.
I'm
back.
dead.
You died.
You're dead.
Oh yeah.
I'm dead.
Did you die?
Yep. You're all alone.
Not too high.
I'm dead. I don't know this place.
Hey, after this, are we gonna call it a day and play some Minecraft, I guess?
Yeah,
But no recording, my friend.
I might as well. Should I just die?
No.
Too late.
Oh, I never got the water fountain. No.
Hold on. What? Hello? Hey Dalton, we're recording, so with RUE the Wizard and Jason.
What's on what?
White Noise Online on Xbox. So guys, go subscribe to RUE the Wizard and myself, and see you guys.